My name is Tony Ojukwu, the Executive Secretary of National Human Rights Commission. I'm happy to address my people. The National Human Rights Commission has been working with Pillars of Hope Africa Initiative to stop this discrimination on the Osu, Ohu, Ume caste system in our home in Igbo land, north-central Nigeria, and even some parts of western Nigeria. We know that discrimination is a major human rights issue. So there's no way the National Human Rights Commission and Pillars of Hope Africa Initiative will support any practice, any tradition that discriminates, that affects the dignity of human people, that says that human beings are not equals. That is what the Su, the Ohu, the Ume caste system has brought discrimination, has brought disaggregation, has brought inequality, has brought divisiveness in our communities. I want to thank especially Mbieri Ancient Kingdom, who have taken the bull by the horns to abrogate the Osu caste system on the 28th of August, 2021. It's not an easy task. They said that behind that effort, there are people who are working day and night to make sure that this comes to pass. And I must recognize people like His Royal Highness Eze Peter Opara, people like His Royal Highness Eze Charles Emeruom for the roles they are playing, and are not playing this role alone. They are playing it with His Royal Highness Eze C.A.C. Ronini, His Royal Highness Eze Josiah Suji, His Royal Highness Eze Francis Agunwa, His Royal Highness Eze Henry Madumere, His Royal Highness Eze Vitalis Achilike. All these His Royal Highnesses from Mbieri Ancient Kingdom are working day and night to make sure that this abolition of the Osu caste system on the 28th is a reality. And we cannot also underrate the work of the Central Planning Committee, which is also working with the His Royal Highnesses to make sure that 28th of August 2021 is a reality. And I must mention in particular Chief Dr. Kingsley Asinobi, who is the chairman of the Central Planning Committee. And of course, there are some other individuals who are using their position, their wealth, their experience, and have come out publicly to identify with this cause of abrogation of the Osu caste system. Of special mention here is Dr. Kemdi Chino Opara, the Omodo of Mbieri. You see, if our people had come out like this in the past to identify with this Osu thing, abrogation would have happened since. But most of our people live in denial. So I give thanks to those of us who have braved it to come. And I assure you that right now, we will deal with this matter once and for all.
To support this fight and be part of this advocacy, visit our website www.pohai.org.ng and www.nhrc.gov.ng. You can also follow us on our social media handles. Pohai and NHRC, beautifying humanity.